Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com, and what I'm holding right now in my hand is the all new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. If you also picked up a brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 9, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys 5 awesome hidden tips to make the maximum out of your Galaxy Note 9. Talking about tips, this is just the beginning. Before we get started though, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now in case if you aren't subscribed, and also go ahead and hit on that notification bell icon to enable notifications for all of my future updates. The first tip that I want to share with you is the edge panel handle. The edge panel is a nice feature that I personally use quite a lot. But did you know that since the Galaxy S9, you can actually change the position of the edge panel by just holding it and putting it in the place that you want. You also have the option of just holding it using your finger and changing the direction or changing the location. The second tip is touch sensitivity. Under advanced features, Samsung has a ton of features that are awesome to use. Definitely go ahead and check them out as well. But today I'm going to be talking about touch sensitivity, which is an underrated feature that a lot of people might want to use if they are actually using a tempered glass screen protector. So definitely if you use a tempered glass screen protector, go ahead and enable this because it will improve your experience a lot. The third tip is flash notifications. The flash notifications option is certainly not a new feature that Samsung has added because this feature has been there for a very long time. But still, not a lot of people know about this. Every time you get a notification, or when the alarm goes off, or when you get a call, the flasher at the back will also light up, or the screen based on what you select. You can even enable both. This way you can make sure that you never miss any alert. The fourth tip is awesome if you never shut down or restart your phone. If you keep using your smartphone without shutting it down for a very long time, it might get laggy because of all the cache and all the junk getting stored. But most of the time when you restart, most of that will go away. So if you forget this, Samsung has a neat little feature called auto restart that will automatically restart your device once a week. So this is awesome because you can go ahead and set a time and set a date, and the phone will automatically do its thing at that time. The fifth and final tip is AirView. AirView actually debuted with the Galaxy Note 2 so long ago, but not a lot of people actually know about it. And that's why I wanted to actually highlight this. Not only can you AirView with the Galaxy Note, you can also select a bunch of images just like you're using a mouse and a cursor on a desktop by using the S Pen on the Galaxy Note. So that's pretty awesome. Once you select all these images, you can do anything you want, maybe share them or delete them. Remember that some of these tips also work with other Galaxy devices, so definitely go ahead and give it a shot on your Galaxy device and see, maybe it'll work. So these are just 5 hidden tips that I wanted to share with you, but there are a ton more packed inside the Galaxy Note 9. So definitely explore your device and keep it locked right here because I'll be coming out with more tips for your device very soon. To make sure that you don't miss out on that video, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now and enable notifications. And also, if you like this video, definitely go ahead and smash that like button and show your support. Follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And stay tuned for my Galaxy Note 9 coverage right here on Andro Dollar. And until I talk to you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.